When her beloved father died, Therese too struggled with this feeling of senselessness, meaninglessness, drudgery of human existence. Naranasan din po ni Saint Therese ang paghahanap ng katuturan, ng kahulugan sa ating pagsusumikap, sa ating pagpapagod, naghahanap ng kahulugan sa ating buhay. Katulad ng sa unang pagbasa, naranasan ni Saint Therese ang magtanong, ano nga bang kahulugan ng lahat ng ito? Reflecting on the life of Saint Therese, we can find the answer. We can find the medicine, if we may call it, the medicine to this sense of meaninglessness. Ano bang lunas sa para bang kawalan ng kahulugan ng buhay? Saint Therese gives us the medicine. Saint Therese teaches us the way. First, Saint Therese found meaning in seeming meaninglessness in love. At one point in her life, it dawned on her that her vocation is love. That if she loves, she would accomplish great things, even in the simplicity, even in the ordinariness, in the hiddenness of her life in Carmel. If she understood that if she puts love into whatever she does, love will give meaning even to the most tiring, senseless, meaningless toil of existence. So looking at Therese, we can learn that it is love that gives meaning. It is love that gives purpose. It is love that gives contentment in what we do. Natututunan ho natin kay Saint Therese na ang kahulugan pala ng buhay ay matatagpuan lamang sa pagmamahal. At ang nagmamahal, kahit simple ang buhay, may kahulugan ang mga ginagawa, ang mga pagsusumikap na ginagawa sa diwa ng pagmamahal. What is the medicine to this feeling of meaninglessness? If we ask Saint Therese, she would say, put love. If you put love, there is meaning. Even in the simplest things we do, day in, day out. Holiness consists not so much in doing extraordinary things, says Saint Therese. Holiness consists in doing ordinary things, plain things, but with great love. If we put love in everything that we do, no matter how simple it may be, no matter how hidden it may be, it is meaningful. It can fill our hearts with joy. It can fill our hearts with meaning. So the secret to a meaningful life, according to Saint Therese, is when we put love. Put love in everything. When you experience difficulties, sufferings, when the cross becomes real to us, put love, and you will see the meaning of life. When life becomes too boring because it is repeated, ordinary, put love, and even the little things that we do will be special.